Good morning, teacher and classmates. We are going to talk about physical change in matter. First physical change in matter is solid to liquid. And we're gonna use the ice and put it in the fan and turn on the fire and wait for it to melt. And it is called melting. Second physical change in matter is liquid to gas. And we're gonna use water and put it in a boil. Now that is boiling, the smoke coming out is gas, and it is called evaporation. Lastly, physical change in matter is liquid to solid. And we're gonna use water into the ice tray. And put it in the freezer. Let's wait for an hour.
Few moments later.
Now the water turned into ice, and it's called freezing.